It's incredible how rapidly technology evolves, isn't it? You hear about the next big thing almost daily.
It really is constant change.
But, amidst all the noise, some companies, the ones with real history, they're not just adapting, they're actually driving it, like HP.
A classic example, yeah.
So today we're doing a deep dive in how HP is using artificial intelligence. Like right now in 2025, we know you want to stay informed, get the real scoop, but wading through everything, it takes time.
Uh-huh. Way too much time sometimes.
That's where we come in.
Absolutely. We've been digging into Kenton Patterson's Future Tech Wise blog.
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's a great source, really focuses on celebrating tech innovation, and it gives us a really solid look at HP's AI strategy as it stands today.
Okay, great. So let's set the stage. What's the big picture here? What's HP's fundamental game plan with AI?
Well, HP's heritage goes way back, right?
Yeah.
1939.
Hmm.
They've always been about innovation. And Patterson points out their current vision is all about setting new tech standards,
Hmm.
the key drivers, creativity, sustainability, and definitely AI. They're aiming to lead, not just follow.
And when we say AI here, we're mostly talking about machine learning, right? Like algorithms learning from data.
Exactly. That's the core of it for these applications.
Yeah.
Machine learning lets them do things like personalize your laptop or, figure out when your printer needs looking at before it breaks down.
Got it. So AI isn't just some fancy add-on feature for them. It's deeper than that.
Oh, absolutely. Patterson makes it clear they're weaving AI into, well, pretty much their whole product ecosystem. The aim is to make things feel seamless, more personalized, and definitely secure, whether it's laptops, printers, cloud stuff.
Right across the board.
Yeah,
Wait, let's get specific then. Laptops and workstations, lots of us use those every single day. What's the AI magic happening there that's actually, noticeable?
good question. It's really about boosting everyday productivity. Take intelligent noise cancellation. This isn't just basic filtering. We're talking like deep learning models trained on tons of noise data.
Yeah.
So even if you're in a busy cafe, your meeting sounds clear. It's pretty neat,
Okay, that's a tangible benefit.
definitely. And things like AI-powered background blur for video calls makes things look more professional. Plus, adaptive performance tuning.
What's that exactly?
It's AI algorithms basically watching how you use your device, then adjusting power and resources automatically to optimize for whatever you're doing right then, not just a simple power plan.
Huh. So it kind of learns your workflow.
Sort of, yeah. Makes things run smoother for your specific tasks.
That sounds genuinely useful, not just convenient. Okay, what about printing? Seems maybe less obvious for AI impact. What did Patterson find there?
Yeah, you might think so, but AI is making a real difference in efficiency and cutting down interruptions. Predictive maintenance is a big one.
How does that work?
It uses AI to look at usage patterns, sensor data, stuff like that, to predict when a part might fail before it actually does.
Ah, so less unexpected downtime.
Exactly. And automated ink ordering is handy, sure, but AI is also optimizing workflows for businesses printing tons of documents or creatives needing perfect color.
Right, color accuracy is crucial there.
Totally. AI can analyze usage, even the content, and suggest more efficient settings or resource use.
Okay, fewer jams, less wasted ink, better results. Makes sense for everyone, really. Now, shifting to cloud and security critical areas, how's AI playing a role there?
Well, think about how complex everything is now, especially with remote work.
Right.
AI helps with advanced device management, which is super important for companies with staff everywhere.
Right, keeping track of everything.
Yeah. But also, AI is proactively detecting potential hardware issues by analyzing system logs and performance metrics in real time,
Yeah.
spotting problems before they cause a crash.
So catching things early
And
and
here-
security.
That's maybe even bigger. AI algorithms can spot patterns in network traffic that signal a cyber threat, way faster than older methods, and then trigger automated responses to shut it down.
Moving from reaction to proaction. That seems vital today.
It really is.
And then the creative side. You mentioned superpowers earlier. Can you give us a concrete example? How is AI helping designers or artists?
Oh, sure. Think about AI-based color matching.
Hmm.
For a designer trying to keep colors consistent across, say, a website, print materials, different software, it can be a nightmare.
I can imagine.
AI can analyze palettes, suggest tiny adjustments, keep everything harmonious. It saves a ton of time and reduces errors.
Okay, that's practical.
And for architects or 3D artists doing rendering, AI can optimize how the software handles complex scenes, predict how changes will look, allocate resources smarter. It means faster iterations, working with much more detailed models.
Basically speeding up the creative process itself.
Exactly, letting them focus more on the creative part, less on the technical waiting game.
Okay, this is where it gets really current. Patterson's blog mentions specific recent HP updates using AI. What really jumped out at you?
Yeah, there were several cool things. The intelligent collaboration features in the latest Elite books and Z books.
Like what?
Things like AI auto-framing for video calls that keeps you centered automatically. And dynamic voice leveling, which adjusts everyone's audio so they sound clear, even if they're far from the mic.
Ah, making remote meetings less awkward.
Pretty much. Then there's HP SmartSense. You mentioned it learns your habits to tweak power and performance automatically. Truly personalized optimization happening behind the scenes.
Like the laptop gets to know you.
Precisely. And on the security front, the HP Wolf security enhancements using AI, they're making threat detection and neutralization faster and more accurate. That's a big deal with all the cyber threats flying around.
Definitely need that.
And AI in HU Smart Printing isn't just predictive maintenance anymore. It includes diagnostics for proactive fixes and even AI suggestions for printing more sustainably.
Oh, interesting. So efficiency and eco-friendliness combined.
Uh-huh. And finally, something called Z by HP AI Studio. It's basically a platform for data scientists and engineers. Gives them tools to build and scale their own AI models. Shows HP is serious about enabling AI development too.
Wow, okay. So it really is across the spectrum. They're not just talking the AI talk, they're actively putting it into products in ways that actually help people.
And that leads to the big question for you, the listener, right?
Yeah.
What does all this mean for you? Patterson's take is that HP's strategy is fundamentally about empowering people.
How so?
Well, whether you're a student trying to focus, an entrepreneur needing efficiency, a creative pushing boundaries, or an engineer solving tough problems, these AI tools are designed to boost your capabilities, help you do more.
So the takeaway isn't just HP uses AI, it's how this AI can give you an edge in whatever you do.
Exactly right. And if you're interested in getting up to speed quickly, understanding these real-world AI applications from a major player like HP gives you a really useful picture of where the industry is heading.
Okay, let's just quickly recap then. HP, building on its long innovation history, is embedding AI, mostly machine learning, deep into its products. Laptops, printers, security, creative tools.
All of it.
And the goal isn't just tech for tech's sake. It's about making things more personal, efficient, secure, and ultimately empowering for users in all sorts of fields.
That sums it up perfectly. And what's really striking is the consistent focus on augmenting human skills, not just automating everything away. It feels very human-centric.
So wrapping up this deep dive, HP's current approach gives us a fascinating look at how a big tech company is navigating and really shaping the AI era. It's not sci-fi anymore. It's here now.
Yeah. And maybe HP's way of doing it, blending advanced AI with a real focus on human needs, maybe that points to where things are going more broadly. As AI keeps evolving so fast, how will this partnership between us and smart machines develop? What new possibilities might that unlock for all of us? Something to think about.